No way, I just bought a G29 steering wheel. Wow. Oh yeah. Check it out. G29 steering wheel. Alright, let's open it up. I need okay, let's go. We got an instruction manual. Let's see how it comes on top here. We have, that's how it looks. Nicely packaged. We have power adapters. Just gonna put that here. Let's get out the steering wheel first. Actually, let's try getting this out first. This is the pedals. They're quite heavy. The pedals are actually heavy. You know, grip into the ground. Whoa, look at that. Can't wait. There's your grip. Let's press them in, see how they are. Okay, there is resistance. I like it. Oh man. That is the pedal. There. Then the actual steering wheel itself. Got a main unit. It's actually quite small than I thought. It's going to be a lot bigger. Look at that. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, it's a lot smaller than I thought it would. But there it is. Oh, there's no... Okay, when you do it like this, there's actually no resistance. Oh, I'm moving it with my finger. I hope that's right. But yeah, oh, the paddles feel really good. Buttons are really nice. Okay, no middle button. Wow, okay. What else in the box? That's it, that's pretty much, that's it. Let's fire it up. I bought the Crew 2. Let's fire it up. I brought the Crew 2, so let's try it out. Alright, it's all on. Let's see how this works. I've never, ever tried a steering wheel at home. I'm super excited. Oh, there we go. It's quite stiff. Oh, wow. Yo, this is so good. Whoa, alright. Whoa. Control the car, man. Control the car. What's wrong with you? Damn. Yo. Why is my controller all over the place? Hang on. There we go. If you lose control, it loses it quite easily, but once you grab it back, that's it. There we go. Oh my god. Okay. My driving skills are trash, but this is so much fun. It's actually quite realistic. The feedback on the control is good. This is wicked! Thumbs up. It's great. Well, I'll catch you on the gaming. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out.